Hey everybody, and welcome to another Ask the Hub. Today I'm joined by Mario, who is the CTO of Comminus. Mario, thanks for joining.
Hello, Anesh. Greetings from Zagreb, Croatia, from sunny Croatia. Thank you for having me. Looking forward to tell you more about Comminus and what are we doing.
Absolutely. So, why don't you share your screen with the presentation that we've got for the viewers?
Yes, sure. Just give me a sec. Okay. Please just let me know when it's all good.
Right. So we've got the presentation live now. In terms of Communus's background, why don't you introduce Comminus and who you all are and what's the background like?
Yes, okay. From the first slide, as far as you can see, it's all about data. From our experience, we are a Zagreb-based company, 18 years old. Founder of the company was one of the first MVPs for SQL Server back in the days. So you can imagine what kind of jobs were back in the days. I'm talking about some kind of consultancies in terms of optimization of transactional systems. On top of that, building of traditional BI systems. But in general, a lot of things happen for us in this 18 years. So I'm going to switch to the slide that tells us who are we today. So, in general, there are four pillars of services that we are doing. Obviously, traditional data management. On top of that, data science, custom development, and consultancy. You will see in our next slides that we have references for various kinds of industries, that we have lots of experts, certified experts from the various kinds of areas of technology. We are a Microsoft partner, we are ISO certified, and we are really good on technology stacks like Azure and Power Platform. So, in just short sentences, this is it.
Oh, nice. So, in terms of what kind of services you'll provide, you can try and explore that topic a little bit.
Yes, thank you. So, as I said, there are four pillars of the things that we are doing. Our projects are not one-dimensional, so definitely those four pillars are something that are combined in all our projects. Our projects are something that are lasting from 6 months to projects that we have for 12 years currently on international and in-board scene. I'm talking about software development, that we can custom develop software for you from the scratch, from the very beginning of the idea, all the way to the phase of development and to support. Data management and business intelligence, this is our legacy, this is our core business. We are really good at transforming, loading data, cleaning data, building data warehouses, and building the UI, beautiful UIs. On top of that, in terms of reporting, to give you insight what happened with your business in the past. On top of that, we are really good at data science and machine learning to give your business's perspective what is going to happen with your business in the future, which is really good competitive advantage today. And on the fourth pillar, we are doing digital transformation in terms of consultancies. I'm talking about agile coaching, I'm talking about migrating on-prem solutions to the cloud, I'm talking about rebuilding monolith architectures into microservices, etc., etc.
Great, and you can also get into some of the references that the Communus has.
Sure, thank you. So I mentioned that we'll build up our solutions in these 18 years for various kinds of industries, international, worldwide, and domestic. I'm talking about insurance, I'm talking about pharmacy, I'm talking about retail, tobacco, government, food. We have really good references over there, and from the projects in terms of traditional BI, from the projects in terms of machine learning, custom developments, as I said, not just one-dimensional thing, combined all those services into really good, successful stories, which I will show you later on the few showcases.
Great. So, and what parts of your expertise and your excellency over here that you are most proud of?
Yes. So regarding technology stack, there is lots of pieces of technology that we are using in our solutions. For the clients, back in the days, it was just SQL Server and ecosystem around it, integration services, analysis services, and stuff. But today we are using different kinds of toolings from the different kinds of platforms. Regarding platforms, we are really proud of our knowledge of the Azure as a cloud platform, from the Microsoft and Power Platform as a platform for the low-code programming, and we are using different kinds of pieces of technologies to combine all those solutions for our clients, from the Power BI, from the Azure software as a service solutions over there, infrastructure as a service, .NET, TensorFlow, where we're talking about some kind of machine learning and stuff. Lots of technologies combined here that we have really good knowledge about it. And regarding this expertise, we are proud that we have numerous certified experts on those areas. DevOps engineers, Azure solution architects, Azure data engineers, Azure developers, data scientists, talking about Azure, and talking about Power Platform, Power Apps, data analysis. I'm talking about Power Platform functional consultants. And what is really important, that it's not all about technology, it's about processes as well. And we are forcing Agile and Scrum as some kind of main project methodology, and we are proud that we have certified Scrum org experts that are that can do such a good job with our teams, be a good Scrum Master, be good product owners and be a good Agile coach for our clients as well. Regarding consultancies, maybe just to mention 3 pillars. One of the things that we are doing, I already mentioned, in the partnership with Microsoft, we are migrating, let's say it, old school monolith architectures and some kind of on-prem solutions into cloud to show our clients that what kind of power of the cloud is something that can bring them the benefits of optimizing costs, gain more flexibility, scalability, enhance security, all those stuff. The second stuff is already mentioned, that we are performing Agile coaching and DevOps consultancies to show organizations what can they achieve by doing some kind of really good DevOps practices. And on the third level, robotic process automation and low-code solutions are something that are today's must-have things for our clients, that we are providing them knowledge how to use all those solutions to gain as well more efficiency, flexibility, and responsiveness. So those are our strengths.
That's great. And you could give us a little bit of a sneak peek into some of your success stories at Comminus?
Sure. One of them is what we are really proud of, and this project is still ongoing. It is, I would say, 5 or 6 years old project. We build up whole mobile dashboard solution for the C-level of the Daimler. I'm talking about global organization, where we build up whole data warehousing, all ETL process, and on top of that, custom-made iPhone and iPad applications for the users on the first days of this production, when this went live, was just the C-level, and after that we build up custom-made security system for the whole organization, so whole organization can now check relevant data for their businesses, for their parts of organizations. I'm talking about some kind of financial KPIs. I'm talking about all those necessary data that needs to be seen to make really good decision about what is going to happen to your business after. With that, I will continue, not just talk about some kind of what happened in the past from the data and traditional, let's say, BI. This is really good showcase as well. I'm talking about predictive maintenance for our partner Aqua, which is in the food industry, where the issue was how to cut the costs of their business. And just to explain in a few sentences what is their business, they have really large fleet of the harvesters and all those vehicles with that are with them. And the issue with those kind of machines is that they are breaking. Some kind of parts of that machine is breaking it in some point of time, and when this part of harvester is off, then whole machine is off. And often those parts for that harvester needed to come even from the different kind of continent. And you can imagine that the time span of this repairing was not measured in hours but in weeks, and those weeks can be directly transferred to the loss of the money. And what we did from the telemetry of all those harvesters, we calculated with certain we calculated and we set up models that will predict with certainty when will some kind part of the harvester break down, so that can be ordered in advance. So this is something that definitely saved money for our client, and we are really, really proud of this case.
That's great, and I think this concludes some a good showcase of what Comminus has done. I think y'all can be very proud of of the many things that y'all have achieved. Thanks a lot for sharing and also taking the time to join us and share with our viewers about all about Comminus.
Thank you very much for having me. Contact us. Let's talk about how we can help you and your business performing all those fancy, nice stuff that we are doing.
Absolutely, yeah. And if you all want to contact them, you all can contact them directly on the Amplifyre platform, or you can also write to us, and we will put you in touch with Mario and his team. So thanks a lot, and I will see everybody in the next Ask the Hub. Thank you.